Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a quick practical guide on unrestricting saving content from your Telegram channel on Telegram web for PC following the latest update. If you're a creator or admin who wants to give your audience flexibility without compromising security, this walkthrough is for you. First, open Telegram web on your PC. Log in if you're not already signed in and navigate to your account. At the top of the page, you'll see three horizontal lines. Click them to open the main menu. This is your control center for channel settings and privacy options. From there, enter Edit. This is where you'll manage the specifics of your channel, including who can do what with the content you post. In the channel type section, locate the setting related to saving content. You're aiming to adjust who can save or forward materials from your channel. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on updates, but you're looking for a restrict saving content option. Choose restrict saving content. This setting controls whether viewers can download, screenshot, or otherwise preserve content from your posts. If you want to allow more freedom, you'd adjust this to permit saving. If you want to limit it, you stick with the restraining option. Drag or toggle the control to the desired position. Take a moment to review your changes. Make sure you've selected the level of permission you want for your audience while keeping in mind your channel's security and brand integrity. If necessary, you can revisit this area later to fine-tune who can save content. A quick tip. After enabling or modifying these settings, it's a good idea to test from a separate account or ask a trusted follower to confirm the behavior. This helps you verify that the update behaves the way you expect across devices and